What's so cool about manufacturing? This is a piece of metal made at ATOS International. One of the next 3 machines bent these pieces of metal. Can you guess which one? Machine number 1, machine number 2, or machine number 3? If you guessed machine number 3, you're correct. This is the Yorns machine. This machine is computer programmed but bends and folds the metal on its own. This machine is one of 2 in the whole world. This machine uses these coils to bend and fold metal into certain shapes and sizes. These coils come in many different colors. Don't think ATOS is all about these high-tech machines. Here's how they used to bend their metal for the roofing. It was all done by hand.
That we used to make panels, and I purchased the resale items that are used to complete our projects. Clips, screws, fasteners.
Alrighty, what are some challenges?
I do a lot of things here. I can run basically 90% of the shop. So when someone is, sick or has things to do or has off, I usually cover those machines for the company.
So I bring a lot of different things to the table when it comes to my job, because I'm very diverse in what I have to do, from the sales part of it, technical part of it, to an install and training aspect.
Here at ATOS, they treat everyone as family. They appreciate and respect all their workers. So you might be wondering, how do the products not get ruined during the shipping process? ATOS makes their own boxes for their products so they fit perfectly inside. Their boxes have to be sturdy enough to withstand the long shipment process to all the places ATOS sells to. ATOS sells products to places all over the world. The little flags are the places.
Thank you for watching!